Friends, welcome to my channel Shaisa's Crochet. Today we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful keychain using the coaster. It's very easy. Even the beginner can crochet this pattern very easily. Just we need half an hour to make this one. I have used here the acrylic yarn and the glue stick to attach the sepal and the flower. So if you are using the glue gun, that's well. If you don't have, you can use the needle and yarn to you can attach with this pattern. So we'll start the project. Before that, if you're watching my tutorial for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel along with the bell icon, so whenever I upload new video you'll be getting the notification. So let's go to the video. So for this project I have taken here 3 colors of yarn, red, green and yellow color. This is 100% acrylic and the Hariri brand. The hook size which I have taken is 3 mm. We need to have the pairs of scissors, and without further, before I have used here to attach this one the glue gun. If you don't have the glue gun, you can use the thread to attach. So we'll start this project with a sample. I have taken here green color yarn. Let's make that magic ring and then chain 1, 2, 3. We have made here first double crochet, yarn over into this 1 double crochet. So these 3 chains will consider as a double crochet. Then we got here 2, again into this double crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Let's close this ring and then into the third chain, 1, 2, 3, into the third chain, insert the hook and we'll do the slip stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Into the second chain, insert the hook and then make 1 single crochet. Into the next chain we'll make 1 single crochet, yarn over. Into the third chain we'll make half double crochet. Into the next double crochet. Into the next double crochet. Into the last also 1 double crochet, and then this is the working chain for 1, 2, 3. Into the third chain, third stitch, we'll make a slip stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Into the first 1 single crochet. Into the second 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, second double crochet and the third one. One, 2, 3. Into the third chain, third stitch, we'll make 1 slip stitch. 7, 1 single crochet, second one, and then to the third 1 half double crochet. So like this, let's continue till the end of this row. We will have 6 petals. So into the last stitch we'll make the slip stitch just down to the first stem, and then make one chain just to close this. Again chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We made here 5 chains. Let's go to the opposite of this stitch. Then we'll make here one slip stitch, and then again let's pull this one tighter so that it will get closed, and then just make one slip stitch into this first chain, and then insert the hook into the second chain and make one slip stitch, and then into the third, insert the hook, and then make one single crochet. Again insert the hook into the second chain of this first single crochet, make one single crochet. So into this 3, same like this, we are going to make 30 single crochet stitches. So here I have made the chains. Now let's make one chain just to close this, and then I'm just going to make the slip stitch into this first single crochet. Just insert the hook in this way, and then make a insert the hook in this way and make a slip stitch, chain 1 just to secure. Again you can just make one more slip stitch into this, and then chain 1, snip this off. And then we can cut the excess yarn. Just insert the hook into this space, and then pull this chain outside. Now let's do the flower. I've taken the red color yarn. Let's make the magic ring, and then 1, 2, 3, 3 chains, which will be considered as a double crochet, and then into this 1 double crochet, 2, 3, including this chain 4 we got already, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 double crochets, 7 and 12. So we made here 12 double crochet stitches. Just pull this yarn to close this circle, and then into the third chain of this first double crochet we'll make a slip stitch, and then make chain 1, 2, 3, yarn over, and to the same we'll make one more double crochet, 2, and to the next stitch insert the hook and make 2 double crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. So we made into each stitch 1 double crochet. We got here 24 double crochet stitches for the round 2. Again, just make this one tighter. So we have completed here 2 rows. Next row 3 chain, and then into the next double crochet we'll make 2 double crochet stitches, 1 and 2. So we got here 3 double crochet stitches, and into the next we'll make 1 double crochet. This is the 4th one, and then next one and increase 5th and 6th. So every second stitch is an increase. And 36. Let's make the slip stitch into the first double crochet. So we got here 36 stitches, round 3, chain 1, 2, 3. Into the next stitch we'll make 1 double crochet, then into the next an increase, 1 1 2, 1 1 and then an increase. So altogether we got here now 8 stitches. Let's continue. 1 double, 47, 48. So we got here 48 stitches. Let's make the slip stitch into the first stitch. So if you want to continue the circle, you can increase the numbers of stitches. Here we made 12, 24, then 1 2 1 2, so it became 36, and then the next row 48, 1 1 2. You can continue the same pattern. Then let's make 1 chain, and I'm going to snip this off, and then we'll take the second color, the yellow color, make a slip knot and then attach into the same stitch. Make 1 single crochet, chain 1. Into the next stitch we'll make 1 single crochet, chain 1. Into the next 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet. So let's repeat this throughout this round. Into the last we'll make a slip stitch, and then we can snip this off. The excess yarns you can just pass through the stitches using the needle. Now let's take a piece of yarn just to tie this. just roll the coaster, and then we can tie here at the center of this coaster. Then we'll make a knot. So that's it. It's very easy to make this keychain. I hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any doubts, please send the message through Instagram, or you can put a comment in the comment section. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on another video with a new pattern. Now I'll show you how to glue it. See, here the bud is ready. Now we are going to glue along with this. If you don't have the glue stick, you can use the needle, and you can sew it along with this.